In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Replit code in VS Code 2025. We'll start inside your Replit project. Open the project you want to bring into VS Code. Here I'm demonstrating with a landing page project. Once it loads, make sure you're looking at the editor and File Explorer so you can see the code and the project structure. Next, use Replit's search or highlight feature to quickly zero in on the exact code you plan to move. Click into the search or highlight field, then type what you're looking for so the editor jump scrolls to the relevant spot. This makes it much easier to grab clean, complete code instead of copying fragments. In the documentation or notes pane, click the section titled, "Here are all the key code files for your landing page." This section summarizes the files you'll likely need. If the list is collapsed, expand it by clicking Show 7 More and then Show 12 More to reveal everything. Seeing the full set helps you confirm where the code lives and what dependencies it might reference. Now, click Open File to launch the file you want in the editor. In my example, that's a page component. Inside the file, click the import lines at the top to review what this file depends on. If you see multiple import lines, glance through each to ensure you understand which local modules and packages the file needs. You can also click the small angle bracket or caret if you need to expand the view or select a block of code cleanly. With the code in view, select what you want to transfer, often the whole file, and click Copy. A quick tip: copy from the first import line down to the end of the file to keep everything intact, including exports. Switch over to VS Code. From the menu, choose File, then Create New File. If the source file was TypeScript React, give the new file a .tsx extension. For plain TypeScript or JavaScript, use .ts or .js accordingly. Matching the extension ensures syntax highlighting and tooling work correctly. Paste the code you copied into the new file. Check for red underlines that might indicate missing imports or packages. If the file references other local modules, mirror the folder structure from Replit in your VS Code workspace, so those relative paths still resolve. It's also a good idea to save the file right away so VS Code can trigger formatters and language services. That's it. You've moved the code from Replit into VS Code